Good afternoon, my beautiful girlies. It's Grace, and let's hop right in to this makeup get ready with me. So I wanted to make a quick announcement. If you hear any background noise, I am so sorry that y'all hear that. I have been trying to get the noise to be controlled, but we're just gonna have to, roll through the punches. We're just gonna have to stick with it. Also, another thing I want to say is, how do we like the hair? I know it's been a minute since y'all have seen a makeup get ready with me from me. How do we like the hair? I love this so much. It's my new favorite style ever. I love this color. It's just so beautiful. I love it so much. Also, I wanted to apologize for basically not talking to y'all. I know it's been a while. Let's just say that the past couple of weeks have been definitely interesting, and I hope that just me popping up here again, nothing's changed. So yeah. So to get right into it, for today's topic of discussion, how would I want to be remembered, and what legacy do I want to leave? Oh my goodness, everything is like going all over the place. So I actually wanted to discuss this topic today, really based off of what has been happening behind the scenes. And also, it's just honestly a very thought-provoking question that probably not a lot of people think about on their everyday to day, but this is something that I wanted to talk about deeply. So yeah, let's just get right into what I have to say. So the first thing that I would want to be remembered by, in the legacy that I would want to leave, would have to be, I want to be remembered as a positive, happy individual that always wanted to live life to the fullest. To kind of know a little bit about myself, just a little bit, I am a very joyful, happy person that always wants to live life as best as I can. In all honesty, I just always wanted to live life as best as I can. I know that everyone doesn't have the opportunity to live life like that, but that is something that I have been wanting. That's something that I've always been living by, always living life to the fullest, always just trying to make the best out of my situations and just having new experiences. I feel like everyone in life should just have those experiences where we get to, just live our best lives, and we just get to explore new things. Like, for example, I want to travel. I want to, literally see the world, explore new cultures. I want to, eventually, have a family. I want to be able to help out so many people. I want to be that positive life in some individual's life. The same thing, like individuals like that are in my life, I want them to be a positive light in my life as well. And I honestly just love being happy. I love being positive. That's who I am, and that's what I want to be remembered by. And I just hope that when people meet me for the first time, when people actually get to know me, they can see me as a positive, happy individual that lived life to the fullest, that genuinely loves others, and that can hopefully pass on that positive vibe to everyone else. So yeah, y'all, I would say that I would want to be remembered as a positive and happy person. The last thing that I want to be remembered by, and the legacy that I would want to leave, is I would honestly like to set up a foundation. I would like to set up a foundation to help others, whether probably it's going to be financial wise. I really don't know yet. I don't really know how foundations work like that, but I definitely want to set up a foundation where I can either, help the homeless, help the hungry, just help people who are in disadvantaged points in their life, or that come from disadvantaged backgrounds, and help. Or it can even be educational wise. Like, I really do not know, you guys. I want to try to help as many people as I can, because since I love people so much, I want to help people to the best of my ability, just helping someone, and just doing such an amazing deed, and not because you want anything in return. I feel like if you want to help someone and you want something in return, it's like, you're not really doing it because you're a good, helpful person. You're just doing it because you just want that prestige. But anyways, I honestly just want to help out as many people as I can, because, you know, I want people to help others. I want all of us to be in a community. You know, I've been raised by a community. I've been around a lot of people, and I would like not only my family to have that, but I would like, you know, people outside of my family to have that as well. Just people helping, just people literally just being there for one another, especially in this crazy world today. I would just love that so much. So yeah, I would say it has to be probably maybe educational wise. I'm not so sure of what kind of foundation I want to set up, but it definitely has to be one of those foundations where it could just help out as many people as I can. Not, you know, closing off the amount of help that people need, but genuinely just making a difference in the world and hoping that, you know, when the day will come, you know, literally my foundation can make such a huge change in the world, and it can just help so many people. So yeah, that would be the last thing that I would want to be remembered by, and the legacy that I would like to leave. One thing that I do want to say to you guys is to definitely do not take life for granted. Please, 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 please live the life that you want to live. Make sure that you know that you are valued. Make sure that you just live every day to the best of your ability, and just make an impact in this world every single day. It literally can just be complimenting someone, giving someone a hug, you know, helping someone out. Literally, the possibilities are endless. So yeah. So y'all, we really didn't do a makeup look. We really just did eyebrows, not even lashes. Like we really didn't do anything, but I really wanted to hop on here and just really talk about this message, because I feel like people take life so for granted, and I feel like, you know, you'll never know until it's too late. So I wanted to talk about this message, spread this message in hopes that it can get in, you know, into someone's, you know, suggestions on YouTube. And I want y'all to know that, you know, please live life to the fullest. Please tell your family that you love them, and tell your family and friends that you love them, and literally just be you. Just be you, live an amazing life. And you'll never know when your last day on earth is. So just please be the best human that you can be. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. I hope that you will have an amazing Monday, an amazing week, and I will see all of y'all's beautiful faces next time. Bye, guys.